everybody. I have a really quick video. I want to show you how to use your Ali Edward cards in your Project Life app. So I am on the website on my phone. I just went to Ali Edwards. I logged into my classes and then I'm going to my classes. I've clicked on the most recent story class, which is the XO class. I've opened that up and then I'm going to hit download. So this option will come up. I'm on an iPhone, so I'm on iOS. I'm going to go ahead and click download. And then right there by the two A's, there is a little blue arrow. You're going to tap on that. And then there is a place where it shows downloads. So here is where you will find your download. It will take a minute to download, which is fine. You can clear this off of your phone once you're done using it. I don't find that it takes up a lot of space by any means. I don't have an issue with it. I just clear it out when I'm done. So it'll take just a moment to download and then we'll go right to the next step. I love using the Project Life app, but I also really enjoy being able to use my Ali Edward products in the app, and especially for journaling, if you want to type out your journaling, this is a great way to use the cards. So after it downloads, again, it's just taking mine a minute to download. So once it downloads, you'll click on the zip file. And then it opens up all of the pieces. So you see that it has the Ali Edwards story kit. So I click on that folder. And then this has the folder that has all of the other items organized. I click on the journaling cards. And then I can scroll through and decide which cards I want. And you're going to click on the one you want. So just press on the one you want. I'll pick one of the 3x4 cards. And then you're going to, that little box with the arrow, you're going to click that. Then you're going to scroll down or scroll up, bring that menu up, and you're going to click on Save Image. So that's going to save it to your camera roll. Once it's in your camera roll, then you can use it in the Project Life app just like normal. So I'm going to pick a few cards here to save to my device. You can also go into the pattern paper items. There is the Ali Edward papers. I'm going to click on that folder and then I'm going to click on one of the papers that I want. You could use this as a card, or I'm going to show you how to be able to print it in a larger form. You can print it in 12x12 or 6x8 or 10x10, 8x8, whatever the features are in the Project Life app. So again, I'm going to pull that menu up. I'm going to say save image. It's going to save it to my camera roll. Once you have all the items saved to your camera roll, you can exit out of there and then go into the Project Life app. So this is slowed down. By the way, this took me about 3 minutes to do, and this is an 8-minute video. So I'm just showing you it slowed down so that you can actually see. If I just did it in regular speed, it goes really fast. So you're going to click on this. I'm clicking on the 4x6. Create a 4x6. I have the double, the 3x4s side by side. I'm going to go into my camera roll, and then this is where I can add the images. So that image right there is a 6x8 paper. And then this image right here is a 3x4 card. Now I then save these to my camera roll. So I'm going to do export. Then I'm going to do image. And then I'm going to save that to my camera roll. When I'm done with this process, I will go in and delete all the individual cards, and I will just save the ones that I've done within the Project Life app. And then I just print them normal. So I print them, I upload through Snapfish, and then I get them printed at Walmart. So now I'm just showing you a different layout, the 4x6, which is what was on there when we first came into the Project Life app. I'm going to grab the 4x6 card. I'm going to add a photo to the card. I accidentally click on card, so I'm going to exit that. And then I'm going to go back to photo. I'm going to go to my recent, and then I'm going to pick that story of love 4x6 card. I'm going to then click the little pencil within the box. And then this is where you can add your journaling. So it's great. You can do your text, your voice texting to add the journaling, or you can just use the keyboard, you know, your, the letters there to add your journaling. You can change your fonts. This is also the way that you would add custom fonts. I have a lot of fonts in the Project Life app that are custom that I have uploaded to the app. And if you're interested in more app tutorials like this, where I'm just doing it directly on my phone and adding it here to YouTube, please let me know in the comments if you have specific questions about the Project Life app. I really love the app and I use it for multiple things. I love being able to do my Ali Edwards products like this. This is also the way I will print extra cards. It is nice to just be able to send them out and get them printed and not have to print them at home if I'm doing a large quantity. Once you're done with that, you just export it. Then you save the image to your camera roll, and then that is in your actual camera roll. So you can see that you just save the image right there. Again, you can also do this from your desktop. I have a newer iMac, so I have the ability to use the Project Life app directly on my desktop. I don't do that very often. I most of the time just use it on my iPad, and I do that about monthly, and then I print through the iPad or through the Project Life app. So here I'm just picking a 6x8 canvas, and then I'm going to add that pattern paper that I originally added as a 3x4 card. I'm going to add that to the 6x8 canvas. And then if I wanted to print this in 6x8, what I would do, I'm going to go ahead and save it and do all of that. I'm not going to say, you can save it to your camera roll. I think I might do that just out of like habit that it's there, just to show you again how to do that, where to do that. But then what you would do is you go to order, which is the little printer icon. You do order prints, and then you're going to add it as a 6x8. So it will default to a 6x8, but you could get this printed in 12x12 if you wanted. It would be on a photo paper, so it would be slick. It wouldn't be like actual paper, but it would still, the concept is still there. You would still be able to get that in 6x8. So thank you so much for checking this video out. Again, I slowed it down so it was easier to see the process. And if you would like to see more Project Life app tutorials, please let me know. And if you have questions about the app, drop them in the comments so that I know specifically what to share and how to share that with you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will chat with you in my next video.